Welcome to Mr. Dheeraj Chaudhary. He is an artist, an ex-professor from Delhi Art of College. Welcome, sir. Valuable is Tata Steel's youth initiative. What is your advice to people who aspire to be like you or follow in your footsteps?
Well, I think to begin with, this is my third visit to Tata's camp, and this is the only non-commercial art camps because all the art camps has some motivation. They work with a motivation to the sell. The main motto was to sell, but this is something different. That's why when they invite me, I come. This year, I made a painting on Krishna. The reason behind it, this year we celebrated 100 years of First World War. So I made Krishna. Krishna is a symbol of love, and he is in Jamshedpur with the industrial background. If you see my painting, so Krishna. So that I made for this year. And last year, I made some painting on Tagore's poem, The Question. Anyway, this is a wonderful experience to meet, especially young generation. And this time I met some tribal artists from Jamshedpur. So I think I congratulate them. The way they are leading this kind of art camp. I think is very nice and effective most valuable in our society.
Which was one aha moment or the epiphany in your life that made you choose this career or inclination towards art? What was that one moment?
Well, yes, very difficult. I was a student of science. I was studying science in Darjeeling. So one day I realized that I was reading poetry. Realized that if I have to be master of my mind, so I have to choose the subject where I can control myself. I can be master. So I choose to join art college, so that I can paint. I can paint, and there'll be a lot of freedom, and then I can contribute in the society.
Who and what has been your inspiration?
Inspiration, I'm a painter of. I always paint on event. When there is something happens in the society, that inspired me to paint. It is a kind of protest. So I did a lot of protest through my painting in Calcutta, Delhi, even London, and many other countries of the world. So for example, inspiration is, of course, Picasso when he made Guernica, and there are a lot of artists like Jainul Abidin. He make painting on famine. So I and Somnath painted on wound. So these are the artists are my idol. I always like, and I follow their foot. Yeah. So this is my way of thinking, and I think that art must be. It should educate mass. It should communicate.
What makes you creatively think? Or more, what makes you creatively think? Or what do you do when you reach a creative block?
I always create because it is not only, I create only on a paint and brush. I create with other media like, wood, sculpture, wood, bronze, and many things. Recently, I have started a new kind of painting with stitch, because stitching katha is a very old system in India. So I'm using stitch katha for the base of my painting. So there is also a there is a craft, but I'm convert to in creation.
So today's youth is willing to experiment with different hobbies and careers. What's your perspective on this?
Well, because from 1930, that was the beginning of our advancement of new technology. So we have come height of the technology. We are already entered in the generation D, digital age. So the young generation will be influenced by the modern technology, and that is good. But then there is one thing, I must say, science has given us motion, but has taken away emotion.
Well said, sir. Sir, in your opinion, what is the need of the art for art as an industry, field, or career in our country?
Well, in industry, yeah, art has got a lot of combination with the industry and art. Actually, our goal is same, whether it is in industry, it's our, the purpose of human urge or human need, and similarly art also we are beautifying the product. That is the utility of art.
In today's day and age, what are the values that today's youth must possess to succeed in the field of art?
Well, they should work hard, they should know everything, and they should select their own. So that is the only way, how they will succeed.
If you had to give one word of advice to our audience, especially the youth audience, what would that message be?
I will say that, there is no substitute for hard working. That is the only way I believe in this. So I always inspire them for work hard, and they work hard, and many of my students are here also. They also come to this camp.
Thank you so much, sir, for talking
Okay.
to us. Thank you.